Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to find archived emails in Gmail. So it's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to find the archived emails in Gmail, you can follow these steps. So first thing you're gonna do is open up your Gmail app. Now tap on the three lines on the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap All Mail. You should now see all your mails, including the archive one. If you want to unarchive an email, open it and tap on the three dots. And now you can press Change Labels and label it as Inbox. Just press OK. So please take note that archived emails are not deleted, but they are simply removed from the inbox and stored in the all mail folder. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for a specific archived email. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!